everyone, welcome to Genique. Here with me, Simma Manada Rao sir is here on Genique platform. And first of all, I am welcoming you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
On Genique platform.
Sir, thank you very much.
And first of all, I will talk some points about Simma Manada Rao sir and what he is going to take on Genique platform. So sir has 6 to 7 years of experience in the field of EMFT theory. He has started this subject on various platforms on offline, obviously on offline in offline coachings. So actually many of South students were demanding this course, Genique course in English language, and we are getting requests from all over the South places like Hyderabad, Andhra, Tamil Nadu. Sir, please launch this course in English language. So we are planning from last 3 to 4 months for this Genique course in English language. So first of all, we are introducing this EMFT faculty Simma Manada Rao sir, and the crash course will definitely be on this Genique platform from 1st of December, and sir will take this EMFT crash course as well as full course will also be shooted for this EMFT subject. So sir, tell me something about yourself and how you are going to cover this subject. What is important for EC guys, what is important for EE guys, and how you are going to cover this crash course? What will be the focus?
Sir, once again, thank you very much for welcoming me this good platform. So I'm also thankful to God. So He has given me a good opportunity to come here. As of now, it is a very good online platform. So the people should use this the Genique platform here. And come to me. So I'm having 6 to 7 years of experience in the in teaching EMFT. So here, as per the crash course point of view, here I have only mainly focused on the numericals only. Yes. Okay. So the thing is, so through the numericals, I have covered some of the important, very important concepts.
Actually, sir, in crash course time is limited definitely. Yes, so sir has focused mainly on the important concepts of whole subjects. Yes, and mainly discuss problems because shooting is already done. So I already know that what sir has discussed, what sir has actually done with this subject. Yes. So definitely you will get basic important concept of this subject, and mainly problem solving approach, how you can tackle the gate level problems in this subject. Yes. So sir, tell me another thing, because EC, I am EC. Yes, I am from EC, so I know that EC this is one of the core subjects. Yes, and one of the toughest subject also. Yeah. And if I can search on YouTube channel, yeah, so nowhere the EMFT is present in organized manner. Some bits and bytes are present, some topics are present, yes, but in random way. Yes, and we have suited this course in a very organized way, and almost whole important topics of whole of the syllabus is covered, I think. Yes, okay. Yes, so sir, what are the important topics of EC you feel, sir, from recent pattern of GATE? Yes, and what is important for EE, because the course is suited for both EC and EE, yes, combinedly? Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, the GATE point of view, actually the EC people will be having the weightage of 9 to 10 marks, sir, on an average. 9 to 10 marks. Yeah, mostly it varies from 8 to 10 marks.
Yeah, 8 to 10 marks.
Yeah, for 8 to 10 marks, so we have to cover 60 to 65 hours of class.
Yeah, definitely for full course.
For full course.
Yeah.
So here, for the electrical people, yeah, so we have to shoot. Actually, they will get 4 to 5 marks.
4 to 5 marks.
4 to 5
electrostatics, electromagnetics.
Electrostatics and electromagnetics only. Yeah, yeah. So for them, we have to shoot. The entire class will take 20 to 25 hours.
Yeah, yeah.
So when compared to the EC people, yeah, so the EE people is having a good benefit. So if you can,
less hours of class and more marks.
Yeah, that is the thing. That is the thing. The electrical people should understand this. So here the thing is, so to understand this subject, actually the people will think that the subject is somewhat difficult. Yeah. Yeah, it will be. People. Yeah, many people will think like this. But the thing is, the people should, the people should notice that is, so it is. If you say clearly, so this subject already has been started in our early days of our education.
Yeah.
So that is the
this vector part and this electrostat part, we already have gone through it in our 10th, 11th, 12th.
10th,
basically.
11th, 12th.
Yeah.
That is the thing, sir. So when compared to the other subjects like communications and signals and systems, so already this subject already has been started in our.
Yeah.
So in the BTech itself, we started to read this communications and some kind of control systems like that, signals and systems.
Yeah.
So the thing is, the people have some fear about this subject actually.
EMFT subject. Many people have fear that this is very tough subject.
Tough subject.
Questions asked are very tough.
Yes,
how
sir.
to tackle this? So,
Yeah.
how you have simplified this subject?
Yeah.
How our users, which
Yes,
are on YouTube platform, or maybe in later on our paid users, will get benefit from this course.
Yes, sir. So actually, for better understanding of subject, so what I have done means I have compared the both electric and magnetic fields, sir.
Yeah.
So while studying the student is studying the subject, first of all he has to understand the terminology. What is
Basic
involved in the
terms
subject?
used.
Basic terminology. He must get habituated to it.
Yeah.
That is the thing. So if you know what is the flux, what is the charge, what is the flux density, what is the intensity, so what is the curl, what is the divergence. So he has to think beyond the mathematics.
Yeah. In
So that is the
physical significance, he must be
knowing. So not only
related to math.
Yeah, that is the thing, sir.
That is actually missing when
That
I
is
was
the-
also when I have read this subject. So
Yes,
this is the main difference. There is math like
Yes, sir.
curl, divergence, everything you need to understand, and
Yes, sir.
you need to understand the physical significance of that
Yes, sir.
mathematical terminology. Then you
Yes.
can get this subject very easily.
Easily.
Because it is tough because of you can't relate this mathematics in
To the-
physical world.
yes, yes,
That's what many guys are missing
Yes,
this
sir.
concept. That's why they are lagging behind and they have fear of this subject.
Yes, sir. Actually,
So, sir, how many hours how many hours in the crash course? Around?
so it's around 19 to 20 hours, sir. Actually.
Okay.
Yeah, 20 hours.
Importance of topics has already been covered
Yes,
in
sir.
19 to 20 hours.
Yes, sir. And
So-
then the first 2 hours, 2 to 2.5 hours is very important. Everyone must see that first 2 to.
Whether it is EC guy or whether it is
everyone.
electrical guy.
He has to cover entire with very patience. He has to cover the entire 2 to 3 hours of class.
So starting 2 to 3 hours are very important, as sir has told, because in that portion he has covered the basics which are very much required for whole syllabus. If you understand that 2 to 3 hours, then you will be easily able to understand other topics. You
Yes,
can
sir.
relate it and you can find it a little bit easy, and
Yes,
you
sir.
can get the questions, how the questions are framed, how they can solve it.
Yes,
Yeah?
sir. Yes, sir.
So, sir, if I can come to EC guys,
Sir.
important topics, you can highlight the important topics which are there.
Yeah, sir. If you come to the EC and EEE, I am saying
Yeah.
for the electrostatics and electromagnets are very important. Electrostatics and
Double E guys,
For,
electrical
electrical
guys, and electronics and communication guys.
For
These
electronics
topics
and
are
communication guys, so there are 3 to 4 chapters are extra for these guys.
Yeah.
So uniform plane waves and the transmission lines and wavegates and antennas.
Sir, in crash course, have you covered this antenna topic? Because many of students
Yes,
were
sir.
asking,
Yes.
sir, please cover antenna, because I think in many of institute this topic is not covered.
Yes,
If it is covered in 1 to 2 hours
Yes,
only,
yes, sir.
they
Yes, sir.
covered. They just put the formula
Yes.
on the board
Yes, sir.
and just say write it down and
Yes,
use this formula for any question.
Yes, sir.
But to understand this antenna topic, it is very difficult. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you have covered this topic or
Yes,
not
sir.
in
In the crash
crash course?
course, I have covered nearly 2 hours of
Antenna.
antennas here. So they have to, in the antennas, antenna point of view, actually, there are mainly 2 to 3 expressions are there. If you really, to get the marks, actually what I'm saying.
Yeah.
If they-
Actually, at this point of time,
You have
you
to
have
get
to think in the prospective of exam.
Exactly.
In full course, definitely sir will cover this topic in much more detail, but
Yes, sir.
at this point of time, in the respect of crash course,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to focus how you can get the marks
Marks
in
in-
GATE exam.
So if you remember 2 to 3 expressions mainly,
Yeah.
if you can concentrate 2 to 3 hours, actually, at least they have to concentrate 2 to 3 hours actually.
Okay, so they can
To
get
get
the
the command,
GATE
yeah.
questions
Yeah.
easily.
Actually, the thing is nowadays from the electromagnetic theory, we are getting very simple questions, sir, when compared to 2006, 7, 8.
Yeah, okay.
So that is the thing people should notice this. So if they get some idea about this,
Okay.
So what I want to say that is first 2 to 3 hours of my crash course is very important.
So
for
everyone, whoever is seeing this video, please focus starting 2 to 3 hours, starting 5 to 6 videos, I think.
Yes,
half
sir.
an hour videos are there.
Yes, sir.
So please focus more on that videos. If you get that thing, then you can follow the whole crash course, and in 20 hours you can get the, I think, 6-7 marks easily in the GATE exam.
Yes.
If you want to score out of 100, then you have to work more by yourself.
At least if you cover this entire 19 to 20 hours, they will exactly not less than, if they can score 7 to 8 marks nearly.
Okay, so that is the information. This video is only for the introduction, and and mainly this video is important for South people, because the YouTube channels which are available, they are mainly available in the mixed language. So entirely English language course is nowhere available for EE, EC guys. So we have focused on that, and firstly we bring this EMFT subject, and later on in coming months many more subjects will come on Genique platform in English language, which is common for all, not only for South guys. North guys can also understand this English language. It is common for all engineering students. So you will get the subject in uniform language, that is English language, for all the engineering students, and later on that full course will also be available in the English language in coming months on Genique platform. So guys, stay tuned, and you are going to enjoy this subject EMFT, and many of you are waiting for this crash course. We already know that, and this course will be, the video is going to live, the crash course video is going to be live from 1st of December, and will in 15 days, I think 15 to 20 days this will be finished. So stay tuned and just focus on your studies. Okay,
I want to say one thing.
Sir is wanting to say something.
Yeah, I want to say one thing about this subject. So please students, whatever the work you are doing for the other subject, to get the marks, if you do the same work for the electromagnetic theory, you will get good marks.
Okay, so don't fear this subject. You will have to work hard like other subject in this subject also to get marks. So stay tuned on Genique platform. Many more subjects which are tough for you guys will definitely come on this Genique platform. And some good news for EE guys, that synchronous machine, many of you are demanding for this synchronous machine from Pankaj Shubla sir. That will definitely is going to come in I think from second week of December, most probably from second week of December. Sir has already joined this the office, and when shooting will be started, then definitely video is going to be shared. So stay tuned on Genique platform. In coming 2 months, we are here for you. We will guide in best manner possible to all you guys, and you will definitely going to score good marks in GATE 2020. So best of luck and stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.